What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today I want to introduce y'all to some new friends of mine over at Austin Foundry Cookware out of Sheboygan, Wisconsin. What you talking about? Look, I saw these guys on Instagram, saw some of their stuff, especially their burger smasher, and I said, man, I gotta get that in my life. I don't know, I've got a thing about burger smashers. Maybe y'all noticed. I'm gonna have a collection. I'm gonna have it. I've already got it. I got two. Let's have a look at these awesome American-made, small batch, cast iron products made from a family-owned, USA-based company. Let's get into the box and see what they sent. That's how you know people's got class right there. And there's a letter in there. Lanes does this. Meter does this. It says, hello, Zach. Welcome to Austin Foundry Cookware with Sean and Lisa. It looks like it says fruitcakes, but I know it doesn't say fruitcakes. I don't know. Austin Foundry Cookware. Sean and Lisa, thank you so much for taking the time. Look at that. Got a big star on there with an American flag. What you talking about? You know it's good. You know that is good. All right, let's get into this stuff, see what's up, what it do, what it is. Get it out of this box so I can get my hands on it and get it moving around. We've got 1, 2. This might be a box of air. I'm not sure. It's very light. And we got the big box. Woohoo! Very nice packaging. Let's go ahead and put that out there. Premium cast iron cookware, Sheboygan, Wisconsin, USA. American made. It's the little details that I appreciate. Y'all probably already know that if you're a fan of the channel, but check this out. It is a cast iron burger smasher made in America. Austin Foundry Cookware, USA. This thing feels solid as a rock. We've got what I can only imagine is some sort of hardwood, maybe oak handle, not sure. I just know that it feels really good. You know that I'm gonna make a smash burger video with this. I love this thing. I love that it's cast iron. I love that it's already pre-seasoned, and just the aesthetic of it. World class, world class. I like the packaging. I'm a big fan of quality. Let's see what's in the big box. Ooh, look at that. Man, tell me that's not like the coolest bottom of a cast iron skillet that you've ever seen in your life. They went ahead and sent the cleaning mesh that you use to clean and polish your cast iron, because you cannot use soap. If you don't know that about cast iron, do not use soap ever. We've also got some of their seasoning and conditioning wax, which helps to keep it in the beautiful state that it is in on this day. Of course, it'll never be this pretty again. You all know that. So I decided to go with their 12-inch double handle because I'm going to be doing some baking type stuff in the smokers. We're going to be making different dishes with this thing. I also like the idea of it being 12 inches because I can sear possibly 2 steaks doing reverse sear or sear smoke method. They're kind of renowned for the smoothness that they get on the inside here. It's much smoother than any cast iron pan I've ever owned. We've got the Austin Foundry Cookware insignia on the handles. Just really nice. Definitely the nicest piece of cast iron anything I've ever owned. Most of the cast iron I've ever owned came from like my senior graduation, where people got me stuff so that I could stay alive as like a 17-year-old young guy. You know, thanks for all that stuff. I've still got a lot of it. Last but not least is whatever this box is. I'm very excited that it might just be a pile of $100 bills. I've got my doubts. I'm very optimistic, as usual. Ooh, it's even better. It's a new hat. What you talking about? What y'all talking about? Austin Foundry Cookware, USA. Holla at your boy. It already feels like it fits me good. You know, not just anybody makes a good hat. If they make a good hat, they make a lot of other good stuff. Hence, good hat. Hence, Lane's Barbecue. Good hat. Hence, Camp Chef. good hat. You can tell a lot about a company by the quality of their hats. I am as happy as a kid at Christmas right now. I've got a bunch of cool stuff, new cookware that I'm going to be, showing you guys on the channel. I can't wait to make some smash burgers with this beautiful piece of artwork right here. Can't wait to sear some steaks or maybe smoke some scallops or some oysters or something like that in this beautiful piece of cast iron pan that I've got that hooked me up with the finishing compound and with the cleaning mesh, stainless steel, blah, blah, blah. Austin Foundry Cookware, thank y'all so much for being part of the American Smoke family. I'm happy to be a part of the Austin Foundry Cookware family. Thank you to all my viewers for watching this video. Smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.